Hey Mandi maniacs! So today we will be unboxing and reviewing this. It is a soft volume blow dry brush and it's by Kristin ESS Hair. So you guys can see that. Let's see. It says 3 wind speeds, 4 heat settings, illuminated by ion button, directional airflow control, scalp stimulating. Ooh, that'll be helpful because I'm trying to grow my hair longer. Linear vents for more even airflow. Nylon and tufted vegan bristles. Ooh, very cool. Oh, and there's more here. That is so neat. Neat. It says the most comfortable, gentle blow dry brush that can not only dry your hair but also stimulate the scalp and release tension. Ooh, and it has a 9-foot cord. That'll be handy, especially for this video. So that all sounds very, very cool. Let's see. I gotta figure out how to open it. There's like these sticker thingies that are kind of. Is that what's keeping it from opening? I think maybe or something. Yeah, I'm thinking they are. So let me quick get those off. All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's even in like a pretty impressive box. So that is really handy. It comes with like a box you can keep it in to kind of keep it all together and safe. Ooh, that looks very, very fancy. So what it says is soft volume blow dry brush. Whether you're looking to boost volume, rough dry before using a thermal tool, or smooth frizz on previously styled hair, this dryer has customizable settings to help achieve your favorite finish. Very cool. Okay. Important safety instructions. Oh yeah, I guess I have no direction, or I didn't read the directions. There we go. Okay. Tips for, let's see, I want to add volume, so we're going to read this. See, it comes with a little tip card. Add volume. Turn ion feature off, not illuminated. Use thickening spray or volumizing mousse on wet hair. Set directional airflow side to the center. Side is located at the top of the brush. Okay. Oh, I see. It's these little settings down here. All right. Use the beveled edge to create lift at the root while drying. Sprinkle texture powder at the crown for added volume after you finish drying. Okay, well that sounds super helpful. Let's get this baby. Oh yeah, 9-foot cord. I'm kind of living for that, honestly. I am super excited. Figure out if this works. You know, I'm kind of hoping. Oh, okay, and it's got like the little for keeping the cord together. And what's nice is I like that they have these because even if you end up not liking them, they're easy to just cut off. But then you can keep your cord kind of together. Okay. Yeah, that's a nice length cord, you guys. Look at that. This is it in half. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. So let's go over there and plug her in. So, without further ado, there we go. All right. Oh, I see. It says off. Oh, that's cool. It all lights up. Check this out. So this button lights up, and all of these do as well. Very, very cool. Let's try this at a cooler setting, I say. Yeah, it is totally drying. Actually, I think this might dry quite a bit faster than a blow dryer, you guys. Oh, cool. And as it dries, it like, okay. You wouldn't need this straighten either. I see. It's kind of handy. Very cool. Alright, I will show you guys once I get my hair dried up. Oh wow, okay. That has some really nice volume, and my hair actually does feel somehow thicker, I think. So, yeah, that took me about 3 minutes roughly. I didn't dry it completely. I just kind of wanted to see how fast it could. Yeah, it's quick. I would say this is quicker for me than blow drying probably is. And you do get a whole lot of volume. So so my verdict is yes, I would recommend this hair dryer brush actually. I did try a different brand like probably 2-3 years ago. And it was the, it was by Revlon, and it was like a round one. The problem I had with that one is the bristles were completely different than this, and my hair just got caught in it, and it pulled, and, you know, that's not good for your hair, obviously. This, what I do love is these bristles are so, so cool because, I don't know what they did differently. It's like a brush with these, like, little rubber coated other brush things. Sorry, I don't know the technical term. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's like, do you ever tip your head upside down and kind of massage your head? I've been trying to do that more because they say that like promotes hair growth. Oh my gosh, seriously? Yeah, this is a dryer, but it feels so good on your scalp. I could see totally using this instead of, I usually like kind of massage my hairline. This would be perfect for that. This feels really, really nice to use. So, I would recommend it. I really would. I like it. I like the really long cord. I like the volume. I don't know. I can't really think of anything I would change about it. It's kind of a lofty, you know, but the thing is it's kind of nice. It's easy to hold on to. It's very sturdy, very durable. So I like that all the elements light up. I think that's actually really cool. So there you guys have it. That is my review of the Kristin ESS soft volume blow dry brush, and it has a very luxe feel. Like they went the extra mile in their packaging, so I like it. I would give it 5 stars. I really like it. So my hair is pretty fried, so for it to look fairly, you know, like this, like it's got a little life, that is fun to see. So I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Have an awesome day. Bye.